Hey guys, it's Waterflower, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Artist Loft. Oh my god, Tiger, what? Come here. Doing Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint. And these are the canvases I made, but before that I need to show you guys this. Thank you so much. I am officially at 1.8k followers to my channel, which is so awesome. And then I was approved to be a YouTube partner on the 27th. Now, I just recently found that out. I was a YouTube partner in 2015 when the requirements was like, you just sign up and then you're a partner. So my settings were already set. They approved me. They started monetizing my videos. I didn't know. So because of that, because of you guys, I was able to do a little extra for my channel and go get these paints. This was the first pour that I did, sticking to the table a little bit, but I have to say I'm in love with this one. Like, this was the first pour I did and I was not expecting that. Like, look at the colors and the ripple effects. Of course, I had to try the chameleon cells, and let me tell you, I was actually surprised. I didn't know how my serum would work on it, but look at how cute that is. There's like a 2-tone colors, 3-tone, 4-tone, 5. Like, this is so beautiful. I have to say, I'm impressed with this one. And normally my cells take like 20 minutes to fully form. These popped up right away, which I think was super awesome. Then I tried a transfer, super beautiful, love the colors. And as you can probably tell, it is very shiny. This does not have varnish on it. And Artist Loft actually came through. You know, I think this is a new product, so they're probably going to change it in the future, but it doesn't tell you the ingredients, but you don't have to add anything, and it did dry within 24 hours. So it was spot on.